I think we just made our fastest pass. Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are pulling more weight out of the car. Now, if you caught the last video where we were pulling weight out of the car, we removed the front driver and passenger seat and replaced them with racing seats. You got 45 pounds per seat replaced with 17 pounds per seat, so we got some pretty good weight savings there. Now, this does not weigh a ton, but as you guys know, every pound counts when you're drag racing. So we're going to remove the rear seats out of the car, and I've been waiting to do this until I could get a hold of a rear seat delete kit, and luckily someone local put this up for sale. They bought it for their car and decided not to use it. Now, it is a CM Components rear seat delete kit, which in my opinion is one of the best kits out there. Now, this is a new kit that somebody ordered, and then they decided not to put it in their car because they actually sold their car. So we're going to hold on just a second, struggling here just a little bit. So this is actually what's on it, and the reason I didn't mind picking it up because it has the 5.0 and the twin turbo. So but first we've got to get the stock seats out, so that's what we're going to do now. So I've decided to remove this seat to make my life a little easier getting in and out the back seat and not fighting it. If you have stock seats, you don't have to worry about this, but it takes like literally 2 minutes to take this seat out, so I'm not gonna fight the installation of the rear seat delete over this. Guys, I'm using a head mount. I'm not sure how well the video is coming out for you guys, to be honest with you. I can't really see. So we're going to remove this and get it out of the way. Put it back here for right now. All right, so we got that out of the way. Now it makes my life a lot easier in and back here. Actually, pretty nice. All right, so we got the front seat bolted back in, and guys, that looks great back there. 5.0 twin turbo. When I first bought it, I was like, maybe I'll like it in the car. Maybe I'll switch it out later on down the road with something that I want to put back there a little more custom for me. But the colors, how everything looks, 5.0 twin turbo, think we're going to leave it. Think we're going to leave it alone. And so if you're interested in picking up a CM Components, Lethal Performance does sell them, or you can go to CM Components themselves and order it. You can custom order just about anything. You can have it stuff cut out with backlighting, a lot of options out there. So go check them out, CM Components. Guys, if you're interested, let me know. I can go weigh the car. I'm not going to do a standalone video on weighing the car. Maybe I'll incorporate it in a drag strip video or something like that. If you're interested in knowing how much weight we've actually taken out of the car so far, or wait until we get more weight out and then do a video covering everything, let me know down in the comments. But guys, stay tuned. We're heading out to the drag strip. All right, we're about to make our first pass down the track. Waiting on, I don't know what's going on. They got the stop right now. It's been packed today up here, guys. So I got me a bite to eat, waiting to run. The lines have been extremely long on the staging lane, so kind of waited till everything died down, figured make a pass, and then hopefully after I make that first pass, come up and then let it cool down for just a little bit and make another pass. And our first pass down the track, we're going to run it on our 8-pound setting that we have the controller programmed to. And then after that, I'm gonna try to find the 9-pound duty cycle setting and save it, so I have it saved, and then go from there. But see what we get to run today. We got the changes coming next week with the 4-to-1s and everything else. So if I can squeeze out a little faster pass than I have in the past today, that way we can compare it to when we get the 4-to-1s and all the new stuff on, because the 1 5/8 4-to-1 headers and everything else that's going on the car will actually flow better than what we have on the car now, and you know, pick up the car a little bit. But anyway, guys, we'll catch back up with you here in just a second. I think we might have just got our best time yet. The draggy is saying 674, so I think we just made our fastest pass. That was on 8 pounds of boost. Draggy said, let me see, letting out of it, I ran a 1087 in the quarter. So let's stop that, and then we'll save that video here in just a minute. But it's looking like I'm only gonna get one run out here, guys. It's been an extremely busy day. I misjudged getting in line, and by the time they got the bikes running and everything else, the sun is going down. I've misjudged everything. So one run. Hey, it is what it is, guys. You know what? At least we got out here and got a pass in and had a little fun. Let's see what we did. Thank you, sir. So there we go. Woo! Damn, 168 60 foot, 670 at 110 mile per hour. Man, she was moving. God, I need that 60 foot so bad. 110 mile per hour on 8 pounds of boost.
It sounded good, man. Yeah, it did.
670 flat. 670 with a 6.
Nice.
168 60.
That's your best 60?
Yeah. Well, it's my best 60 out here. That's right damn near my best 60 anywhere I've had.
I videoed it. I was looking at the wrong car, and I was like, man, what's he running? And I was like, I'm on the wrong car, man. Oh, that thing sounded good.
I'm going to try to get up here and see if I can get one more pass in before it gets dark. So I'm going to get up here and get in line. I don't know if it's going to work, me being in line and getting able to let me make another pass, but we'll see. It'll be a hot lap, so, but I'm only running 187 on cylinder head temp, so we'll see. We'll see if they let me make another pass. All right, so just in case they do let me make another pass, we're gonna go to preset 3. We're gonna go over here. Duty cycle, we're going to change duty cycle to 55% and see what that is boost wise. That was 50% duty cycle, 8 pound of boost is what it was. But we went 670 at 110 mile per hour. So that's my best to date. All right, so I thought I was gonna be able to get another pass in, but somebody messed up the track. It was close to dark, so they went ahead and shut it down. It is what it is. We got the one pass in. We went a 670 flat at 110. That is our best to date. The car did extremely well. All right, so all you quarter mile guys, I know you're gonna give me a little grief, and that's okay. But to compare it for you guys, when I was up in Bowling Green and ran the 10.4, that was with a 686 8th mile time. We did a 670 flat, so if you do the math, that puts you right at a 10.2 in the quarter. I know it's not a 9-second pass. However, we was only on 8 pounds of boost. And yes, I was wanting to actually turn the boost up to 9 pounds and get another pass in. And it is what it is. I didn't get another pass in. However, we are going to be installing the 1 5/8 4-to-1s. Hopefully here this next coming weekend. That's the plan, is to go down to Texas, install that stuff, put it on the dyno down there, and see what the horsepower is with the new headers and stuff. And then, of course, you know, I will be back at the drag strip soon after. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.